How do you react to change? How do you deal with the unforeseen? When it comes to presenting on camera or public speaking, we do not know what's going to go wrong. You could be standing there in the middle of a presentation, you could have a power cut and you've got to keep going. You could find there's no lights. You could find that just as you're walking up onto the stage, you split your skirt. Your heel falls off. There are so many things that can go wrong that you need to know how you can adapt to change. And the first thing we do is we look at how we deal with life's curveballs. There's plenty of them. This morning I was off to go to an event and then I got a call to say no childcare. So full 360, I'm not going to the event. And now I am here recording a video talking about adaptability to change. If you find that you immediately get angry, then this is something you might need to work on. You might need to find a skill. And this is where my acknowledge, identify, and move on really comes into play. By taking a breath, and think of it as a traffic light system. So your immediate reaction is red, and then you've got to go to amber, and then you've got to go to green. So acknowledge, identify, move on, or red, amber, green. So what you're trying to do is in this situation where something goes wrong, and as I said, it could be your presentation isn't there, it could be your music isn't working, it could be a number of different things which are completely and utterly outside of your control. And there is many times it could be that you're halfway through the presentation and those wonderful pesky nerves come flying up and they derail you. And that's happened to me many a time. I've hit my nose on the face. No, I've hit a ruler on my face whilst in the middle of a presentation. I have done some really silly things because I am human, and knowing that I can acknowledge, identify, and move on, or turn to go red, amber, green, allows me to take that breath and adapt to change. So I'm going to say, think about how you deal with change. This could be anything. This could be as simple as your car going wrong. The next time something goes wrong, think about, short notice, think about how you are going to deal and adapt to change, and take that breath, take that time to acknowledge, identify, move on, or use the red, amber, green, and get strong. And then when things really do go wrong in life, you'll be able to take that breath and cope. If you want to find more top tips on how to deal with public speaking nerves, how to shake up and streamline your content marketing, or if you really want to just nail it now, then sign up to my Rock Your Online Presence online courses, and you will be in control of your own marketing and know what to say and how to say it. I'm Kirsty Vandenbalk, and I'm a communication strategist.